So this particular system was having an issue. So the RAM and every other thing was bad on the system. So the only thing that was good on that system is just the screen of the system. And the issue is it's a screwless system. So if you want to remove a screwless system, you know it has gum. But this particular system's gum has really like there's no space that you're going to bring the gum out of the system. So I needed to use what's it called? This patlets that used to be at the back of all those screen guard. So that was what I was using with a little bit of petrol. So I needed to put it at the tip of this patlets at the screen guard to remove those gum. You can see how I was removing the gum. It was stressful. All the time I removed it and separated the screen guard.